I used the gun it and pray method back there. Okay, here we go. Bill's nemesis. Oh, wait. This is... They fixed it. They fixed it! They fixed it!
Yeah.
Woo! Thank you, maintenance people!
That's what I was just going to say.
Whoa!
Looks like they fixed it.
And they did a great job! Was that concrete back there?
It felt like it, didn't it?
Yeah, look at this. This is concrete. I've never seen them use concrete in trail maintenance.
You sure?
Let's go back and take a look.
Yeah.
I gotta remember... Yep.
Is it? It is too. I'll be darned.
They use concrete. This is not going to have to be fixed again for a long time.
Long time. Wow. So,
Look at that.
I don't know if y'all remember last time we were here.
And they really built up that wall for that creek.
Look at that.
Nice.
It is too.
Woo.
So, nemesis no more, my friend.
No more nemesis.
Except for the part to get up here.
Yeah, okay. I used the gun it and pray method until I accidentally dropped it in the neutral. Ow.
I got that one on video too.
Ow.